Okay, fourth graders, today we're doing Module 5, Lesson 32, just one lesson today. And today we're going to focus on subtraction. We've been working a lot with adding fractions and mixed numbers, and today we're going to shift our focus to look at how we can subtract a fraction from a whole number, or from a mixed number, sorry. So we're going to have a mixed number minus a fraction. Does that make sense? Good. Let's first talk about the problem of the day. The first problem we're going to be solving is 3 4/5 minus 3/5. Go ahead and write that down in your notebook. If I wanted to think about units, how many kinds of units do I have? 2. I have 3. 3 what? What are my 3 ones? Good. And then I have, what units are those? Fifths. So let's think about one unit at a time. If I have 4/5 and I take away 3/5, how many fifths do I have left? 1/5. I have 3 ones, and I'm not taking away any ones, so how many ones do I have left? So what's my answer? 3 1/5. Good. Let's see how that works on a number line. Go ahead and draw yourself a number line. And on the number line, find 3 4/5. You can see it's right here. Now if I'm going to take away 3/5, 1, 2, 3, I end up right here. Well, that, of course, is 3 1/5. So on the number line, we can see that 3 4/5 minus 3/5 is 3 1/5. Again, we have 2 kinds of units. We have 4 ones, and then we have 11/12 and 3/12. So let's deal with that first. If I have 11/12 and I take away 3/12, how many 12ths do I have left? Everyone? 8 12ths. Good. If I have 3 ones and I don't take away any ones, how many ones do I have left? Sorry, if I have 4 ones and I take away no ones, how many ones do I have left? 4. So what is 4 11/12 minus 3/12? 4 and 8/12. Draw yourself a number line. We're going to have 3 here and 4 here. I have to split the distance between these two whole numbers into how many equal-sized portions? 12, because I'm dealing with 12ths. Okay, so half, fourths, and then each of these will be into thirds. Right, and then I have 12. Okay, I'm starting at 4 11/12. I know that's, oops. Hold on. Have this be, instead of 5 and 4, I'm going to have this be 3 and 4. I'm going to have it be 5 and 4. Right? Because I'm starting at 4 11/12, which is right here. And if I take away 3 of them, 1, 2, 3, I end up right here. And so looking at the number line, I know that this is 4 1/12, 2/12, 3/12, 4/12, 5/12, 6/12, 7/12, and 8/12. So therefore, the answer must be 4 8/12. So again, using the number line and using what we know about units, we can find out that 4 11/12 minus 3/12 is 4 8/12. For this one, we have 4 1/5 minus 3/5. How many kinds of units do we have? 2. We have 4 whats? 4 ones. And then we have, what's our other kinds of units? Fifths. We have 1/5 minus 3/5. Now, if we do 1/5 minus 3/5, we're going to end up with a negative number, right? Because 3/5 is more than 1/5. So that means that we need to regroup. We can use a number bond to help us regroup. We can think of 4 1/5 as 4 plus 1/5, right? But we can think of 4 as 3 plus 1, and then we still have 1/5. Do you guys agree? Yes? What do we know about 1? That's the same as 3 plus 5/5 plus 1/5. So therefore, 4 1/5 is the same as 3 and how many fifths? 6/5. And then I can take away 3/5. What this means is 3 6/5 has the same value as 4 1/5. And by regrouping like that, what I can do is I can subtract 6/5 minus 3/5 equals what? 3/5. And then my ones, I still have 3 ones, so my answer is 3 3/5. Let's see how we can prove on a number line that this is true. Go ahead and draw yourself a number line. Now this time we want our number line to go from 3 to 4 to 5. And we want to divide each whole number into how many equal sized portions? 5. Good. Okay, we're starting with 4 and 1/5, which is right here. We have to take away 3/5. 1, 2, 3. We're taking away 3/5. So we end up with 3 and 1/5, 2/5, 3/5 right here. So therefore, the answer is 3 and 3/5. So again, we're using a number line, and we're using what we know about units to subtract a fraction from a mixed number.